how to make Twitter quotes for Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll guide you on how you can make Twitter quotes for Instagram, so that whenever you post something on Twitter, or maybe you want to post some kind of tweeting activity on an Instagram account, it is very simple. Now instead of using the real Twitter app, over here you can download any of the fake tweet applications such as fake tweet post creator or tweetgen or whatever else you prefer. In my case I have downloaded this application here. Now simply open it up and then let's see what it is going to tell us. So basically you can see we can choose everything. We can choose a theme. Now since it is a free app, you might want to deal with the ads, so you can choose a dark theme or maybe lights out, or I'll just choose light. Now over here you can just go ahead and then basically choose a profile too. So you can just come to light page, you can select choose profile and then just make sure to enter the name as well as also the username if you'd like. So you can also go ahead and then basically enter the username. Once you've entered all of this, you can just tap the save option to make a custom. Now if you want a verified tick mark, you can also turn on verified such as blue or such as gold, and then just tap the save option. Now you can choose a profile picture also, and then here you can see the profile option. You can just choose from gallery and then just select a random picture that you have in this case. Once you select a picture as well, that will also be done, and then just hit the check option to do so, and then just tap on the update button. Now as I said, it is a free application, so you might want to deal with the ads, but it's a bit annoying of course, but it is a free app, so we just have to deal with the ads and so on. Now once we've done all of this, we can just save the image. So let me just find out whether I'm done with this or not. I'm just going to go ahead and play it for a while, and then I'm going to come back after the ad has been loaded up. And once you've done all of the steps, what you can do is just tap the continue option and then just tap on share. And after you've tapped on the share option, you will be able to successfully go ahead and then download this tweet. And then once you've downloaded the tweet, what it will prompt you is that you'll be able to successfully go ahead and basically use this tweet for your Instagram, which means it will be saved on your gallery. Then you can open the Instagram app here. Once you open the Instagram app, you can just tap the plus icon and then select the recent tweet that you uploaded. So hope this video helped as to how you can make Twitter quotes for Instagram. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.